Good morning, students. Today we are revising the next topic, that is endangered and extinct species. So, firstly, I am telling you about species. A species is a group of living organisms with similar characters that are capable of interbreeding and producing offsprings. Now we will discuss about IUCN. IUCN is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This is the global organization that keeps track of the condition of the natural world, and here I am telling you about the red list also. The red list is updated every year and it is available on the official website of IUCN. So in the red list we are keeping the record of endangered species. Now after this we are covering the next, that is extinct species. So what are extinct species? Species that no longer exist anywhere on the earth. Okay, like dinosaur, or for example dodo. Then next one is Tasmanian wolf. So these are what? These are the extinct species. Okay, and species that no longer exist anywhere on the earth, they are known as extinct species. Now, like Indian cheetah has become extinct in India due to the excessive hunting, and there are some species that are survive only in captivity. Now after this we are discussing about threatened species. So what are threatened species? These are of two kinds. One is vulnerable species and second one is endangered species. Firstly, I am telling you about threatened species. So what are threatened species? Means when a species faces difficulty in surviving in its habitat, that is known as threatened species. Means its number decline drastically. Okay, so we will discuss here vulnerable species and endangered species. Firstly, we are discussing about vulnerable species. These are the species that are declining. Declining means the number is decreasing day by day, but still have the sufficient number of individuals in their natural habitat. Now we will discuss about the next one, that is the endangered species. And what is the example in the vulnerable species? That is musk deer, then spotted deer and black buck. These are the few example of vulnerable species. If I am talking about the endangered species, these are the species which face immediate threat of extinction and their number has been drastically reduced to a critical level, either due to indiscriminate hunting or due to the destruction of the habitat. So after this, like the example of threatened species is Asiatic lion and the great Indian bustard. So these are the examples of these are the examples of endangered species. Now we will discuss about next, that is the rare species. So what are rare species? These are localized in the certain geographical area and exhibit scattered population considering the global environment, and the overall population in the world is small. In future, we can say that this species may enter into the category of vulnerable or endangered species. And what are the example of rare species? Like Indian elephant and wild buffalo. Now we will discuss the last one, that is the lower risk. Lower risk, this category includes species that are not in immediate danger of becoming extinct. So this was regarding species. Thank you.